czy ugrupowanie Zbigniewa Ziobry będzie stało murem za Mateuszem Morawieckim, któremu prezydent powierzył tworzenie nowego rządu. Co dalej ze sporami wewnątrz kraju i z Unią Europejską o wymiar sprawiedliwości? Zapytam też o działania resortu, które budzą kontrowersje, w tym opisywane przez nas przydzielanie nieruchomości, oraz o widma kar wiszące nad politykami suwerennej Polski. Zapraszam za pół godziny do słuchania faktów RMF FM i Radia RMF24.
Zapraszamy.
Dziś Międzynarodowy Dzień Cappuccino. Świętują przede wszystkim Włosi.
Wiadomo, świętują także miłośnicy kawy ze zmienionym mlekiem w wielu innych krajach.
Historia napoju związana jest z odsieczą wiedeńską. Włoski kapucyn Marco d'Aviano został w 1683 roku wysłany przez papieża Innocentego IX do Wiednia, by przekonać europejskie potęgi do utworzenia koalicji przeciwko Imperium Osmańskiemu.
No i w czasie tej wizyty w wiedeńskiej kawiarni kapucyn dodał mleko do zbyt mocnej, jego zdaniem, kawy. Nowy napój nazwano na cześć jego zakonu cappuccino.
Przy tej okazji przypominamy, że we włoskich barach cappuccino zamawia się wyłącznie do godziny 12.
No bo właśnie dla Włochów picie tego napoju później jest, tak delikatnie mówiąc, nie do pomyślenia. Radio, muzyka, fakty. RMF FM. Fakty sportowe RMF FM. Zaczynamy od Champions League i klauna w Lidze Mistrzów.
Barcelona w Europie jest właśnie klaunem. Tak napisał madrycki El País po meczu walcy z Szachtarem Donieck. Dla kontrastu barcelońskie Mundo Deportivo marzenia o 1/8 rozwiane przez zdenerwowanego Szachtara. Dzisiaj zagraliśmy słaby mecz. Słaby mecz, nie wyglądało to dobrze, musimy przyznać, futbol. No ale to część sportu, to piłka nożna i trener Barcy Xavi. Szachtar wygrał 1-0. W 40 minucie ruszył lewą stroną boiska, podanie do Gruzina Georgiego Goczele-Szpilego. Ten dośrodkował do Daniela Sikana, który precyzyjnie uderzając głową pokonał Marka Andre ter Stegena. Jakie emocje odczuwa trener po historycznym zwycięstwie?
It feels very sweet.
To bardzo słodkie uczucie.
I'm tremendous.
Ale jednocześnie jestem ogromnie dumny z moich zawodników.
My players.
Podkreśla chorwacki trener Szachtara. Mario Pusic, jego drużyna od 9 lat nie może grać w Doniecku. Od zeszłego roku mecze pucharowe rozgrywa poza Ukrainą. Wczoraj na Volkspark Stadion w Hamburgu. Mecze ligowe od ponad 620 dni przerywane są alarmami, i wtedy piłkarze zbiegają do schronów. To Szachtar, z którego odeszły największe gwiazdy, który potrafił pokonać Barcelonę z Gündoganem, Lewandowskim, Rafinhą czy Torresem. Z innych hiszpańskich firm futbolowych chwaleni Atleti z Madrytu. Wygrano u siebie Atletico z Celticem Glasgow 6-0. A w Mediolanie boisko zasypane dolarumami. Z podobizną byłego bramkarza Rossoneri, teraz strażnika bramki PSG Gianluigiego Donnarumy, nad zdjęciem napis Mercenario, czyli sprzedawczy. No i wymieniał 71
Morning everyone. Yeah, I wasn't long time here. Just checking few things what was happening over the night. You can see we got quite strong sale. We couldn't break the opening range of the Sydney. Tokyo was selling, everyone was selling. We trending below the 4-hour fee.
Minuta pierwszej połowy San Siro w absolutnej ekstazie. A potem jeszcze swojego gola dodał Francuzowi de Giroud. I AC Milan odzyskał pierwsze zwycięstwo.
We'll be waiting for some signals to see if we can go long. So far, I am not taking the risk. I'll wait patiently.
Lepsza od Polonii Warszawa. Wygrana 3-0, choć wynik mógł być wyższy, bo w 94 minucie bloku nie wykorzystał rzutów karnego.
Sorry, top podcasts from Apple UK and officials updates are not available right now. Sorry, Bloomberg opinions updates are not available right now. In weather, in Milnthorpe, it's 7 degrees Celsius with showers. Today, you can expect clouds and showers, with a high of 10 degrees and a low of 4 degrees. That's all for now. Wukash, there's nothing on your calendar for the remainder of the day. Today, in Milnthorpe, the air pollution level is low, with an air quality index of 2. Currently, in Milnthorpe it's 7 degrees Celsius with showers. Today, you can expect clouds and showers, with a high of 10 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
Okay, we'll put the Adams level. Alexa, play Bloomberg.
Launching. Bloomberg Europe.
Okay, we try to go above the 4 hour. Just checking what will be my risk to reward. I will open one now. Limit order 44. So let's see if you will come and fill me. That will make the stop loss very small on this one.
They were saying that they have seen a massive revenue increase in the third quarter, but you've also seen some snap when it comes to the larger story. That's going to be a big piece, again, of the dealer piece of the equation. Again, a full circle right back to buying, because that, of course, is that third quarter company that we've been watching. Third quarter adjusted EBITDA, 1.7 billion, an estimate of 1.8 billion. So again, out of the three companies we just laid out, misses across the board, a deal though, again, that looks more coming on the margin side and on the revenue side, and of course see how the Euro index reacts after European market. And when I want to head back to the board of World Economy Forum over in Singapore, where April Francine that will have the food overview she was waiting for us this hour. Francine, over to you.
Thank you so much for inviting me to join us. I know we've got the IDA Ireland Executive Director. Thank you for joining us. There's quite a lot going on. When you look at Ireland, in the middle of this economy, which has its strains and a lot of uncertainties, with obviously multinationals that want to base in Ireland, has it been difficult or has it been a bonus to be able to attract somebody from here?
The first thing I would say is that Ireland is seen as a very stable location for FDI, and I think that's pretty clear on the back of Brexit, COVID, and obviously some of the geopolitical challenges that we're seeing currently. So Ireland has been a very good location in which to invest. We have 1,800 companies in Ireland, and if you look at the end of last year, we won 242 new investments. 242 investments, 103 of them are brand new investments that had never been in Ireland before. Similarly, for the first half of this year, again, we were 139 investments, and 27% of them are 52 first-time investments for companies that were never in Ireland before. So I think it demonstrates the really good confidence in Ireland as a location in which to invest.
So what kind of companies actually, is it either sectors or is it industries?
Well, it's right across the board. We are in around 4 or 5 different sectors, from life sciences to technology to financial services and engineering. So what are the kind of areas that we're very focused on? So we have some really good investments this year. For example, Analog Devices is investing 650 million in UK, which is a European initiative, collaborative initiative. We've also seen really on purpose investment to 1 billion in the advanced manufacturing facility. So again, in the pharmaceuticals area, a US company, Dexcom, is establishing its first international presence, its first presence in Europe, in Ireland. That's a 300 million euro investment. So there's a lot of activity happening. Pepsi just had 127 million investment again in R&D and manufacturing, and they also have added another 35 million in partnership. So a lot happening right across the board, really significant investments.
Is it this investments that would have gone to the UK or after Brexit, or would have gone elsewhere?
I think today companies are doing huge due diligence, and they're looking at locations right across the board. Locations where they already have operations, and then locations where acquisitions are reaching. So it is an international search and a global search to find the right location in which to invest.
When you look at the changes in tax that you've had since January, what has that meant for multinationals?
Yes, we're really implementing the Pillar 2 ex-Pillar 2 exchange in January of 2024. We've been moving from 12.5% to 15%, and that's for companies with revenues of over 750 million. I need to say we have been expecting that and working on that for the last 2 years. We've committed to it. We felt it very important that we were with the other 750 countries moving towards that 15% tax rate. So for our multinational companies, though, and as I've just said already, last year and this year, we're seeing significant investment by companies in Ireland.
So do you think they will be doing so because of the corporation tax, or you're not accusing that the way it's been for it?
When companies come to Ireland, it's not for the tax reason. We are only for the tax, not for a number of reasons, and we have actually engaged with the companies that are already there. I think we have a terrific educated workforce, half the population under 34, and a third under 25. We're one of the youngest populations in Europe. And if you look at even on the whole area of STEM, which is hugely important from a talent attraction perspective, again, our talent pool of people are very strong in STEM. If you look across Europe, our per capita basis, Ireland has the highest rate of STEM graduates between the ages of 20 and 29. The highest number of people in third level colleges on a per capita basis across Europe as well. So there's a lot happening from a talent perspective. And even though for engagement with clients, talent is a key area. Of course, our membership of the EU is hugely important as well. And the ability to bring talent into Ireland as well is very important. So there's a number of reasons why companies invest. But we could just have the Ireland really this year voted and reviewed 64 countries, and they said that Ireland is number 2 most competitive location globally. And really what it is, Ireland will be very strong in talent.
On the downside, the housing crisis.
Yes.
Is that how much of that is having an impact on executive talent here and the quality of companies want to staff to Ireland?
Well, we've had a legacy housing challenge over a number of years, and this is the key priority of government today. So there have been targets set on the strategy Housing for All, and those targets have been met, and in fact this year, the target for this year will be exceeded. So I think it's safe to say we're coming from behind. There's a lot of work being done. That work is continuing. And of course, I think it's safe to say that we will, in time, get there. But it is the biggest issue for our government of the day. I have to say again, going back to the 242 investments that we won last year, first half this year, winning 139, it hasn't dented investment into Ireland, and I think that's really important. And just to add as well,
Also, it's slow. Do you wish it could go faster to try and solve that housing crisis?
well, of course, at the end of the day, housing can't be solved overnight, and we're no different than many other global western cities around the world, where we also have housing challenges, so we're no different in that regard. We do know it takes time. We are seeing, obviously, improvements take place. We're achieving the targets, and this year we'll exceed them. So I think at the end of the day, we just have to bear with it. But of course, as with everything, we do want to see that the pace is always fast.
Right here, when we talk a lot about consultancies out there, a lot of companies, what gives Ireland people support that we can do better? So what policy that we need to come into place in this uncertain world that would help Ireland out?
Well, we're always competing with other countries right across the globe, so it's a really intense competitive environment. I would actually know indeed where they said, how strong we are in talent and globalization and our incentives. So I think, we're doing very well as a country. We're really strong. And I think at the end of the day, we just have to be very conscious of that global environment and the challenges. We never take FDI for granted. And that's one key issue for us, is making sure that we're always, relevant to companies. Sustainability, digitalization are 2 key areas for us. And the government has a climate action plan that's being implemented. We're engaging really closely with our clients, transforming them from sustainability into transformation. So there are 2 really important areas. Innovation is another. And this year, the government announced that as from next year, we're going to see our R&D tax credit and qualifying activities move from 25% to 30%. So again, we have an environment that is very conducive to FDI, a pro-business environment, and the stability of it as well is a really important factor for any further investment into the future.
Well, I think so. That was, of course, about the IDA Ireland Executive Director. Way back in his way back to London, and then come to Michael for the really great Ireland Walker.
Thanks, Ian, for a while there. We're exclusively doing it over in Seattle. Thank you so much for bringing that to the program. This by she's done that. As that is more to come, and we're really finally warm. The next hour, we speak to Managing Director of Industry Capital Partners, and of course, later this morning, we're joined by stockholder managing director of Capital Partners and the CEO of AZA Finance. Now, also making news today, Portugal Prime Minister Antonio Costa has unexpectedly quit after revelations about Costa's government corruption and involving lithium and hydrogen projects. Costa's departure marks the end of an 8-year tenure and likely lead to an early election. At a press conference released in the former Prime Minister said he has a full good conscience and will cooperate with the investigation. Over in the earnings story in the United States, news that Uber gave a mixed picture of its business, reporting its second consecutive profitable quarter while slowing revenue growth. Overall trips were up 25%, boosted by its rideshare unit, which was a revenue stream, an 11% increase from a year ago. The slowest pace against Pittsburgh.
Okay, levels are marked. I'm in the trade. The stop loss was very small. After the first TP, I'll move my actually no, I will leave it like that till I'll get 20 points. First TP is on 10 points.
took that position to close that. But the good news was that correct is for the US Celtics to play here is you proved that they can be a fast delivery.
Can you talk to me a little bit about what the terms of the deal might look like? How much are you planning to sell Fresh Direct for?
We sell 100% of the company, and so we expect the deal to be closed by the end of November. What was important for us is that we transfer the business to a good new owner. First of all, it's a business where 3,000 people are working. But secondly, it's a very well-known brand in Amazon with a 20 years legacy and heritage of which the company was definitely can be very proud about. But the deal terms are partly also in our notes, so we took in impairment this third quarter, and we also let you know that we took a divestment loss of $275 to $325 million. So we made it possible for kids to have a good start with the company, to continue the business in the Bronx in New York, focus on Manhattan, and they will add their competencies on a flash business, so a very fast, ultra-fast business, fully set and a strong reputation also in Europe.
Let's talk about some of the other pieces of your business that you can friends, and appreciate the deal terms on Fresh Direct as well. Let's talk about Bowls.com. About 2 years ago, it was being ready for an IPO. Is that still on the table?
Yeah, we were very consistent there. We said no to the IPO 1 or 2 years ago. First of all, markets were not so easy, as you can imagine, and Bol is having a very good run at the moment. So we were very happy with the market share gains Bol is having, and also a very strong market share overall. The market share leader in the Dutch market, and number 2 in Belgium, and number 1 in the Dutch-speaking part of Belgium. Very happy with the Bol development, and if economics and market conditions are helping us here, then we will reconsider this. Always that the IPO is not off the shelf.
Not off the table. Of course, we hope you give us that breaking news when it does actually happen, when you do consider it. I want to go as well to another part of your business. You recently announced the acquisition of the Romanian grocery retailer, Coffee. Is this your last acquisition? Are you on buying spree right now? What's that look like for you?
Yeah, I would always say that with a strong strategy of the company to grow our business, with a very strong balance sheet, we have options to grow also inorganically. And Romania is a large market, a growing market, also GDP-wise. We have already a very strong business there with no Image. And with Coffee, we will more than double our business in this country. And gives us a very strong position in the supermarket sector. We're very happy with that transaction. We're still waiting the approvals of the authorities that might take into 2024. But a good acquisition, very complementary. We have a strong business in the big city, the capital of Bucharest. But we also see that Coffee has a very strong position in the rural markets in Romania, but also their head office in the proud city of Timișoara.
That power don't look too good anymore.
Market share right here in Europe. Let's talk about market share in the United States as well. A lot of our American viewers will recognize you as the owner of Food Lion. What are you doing to gain market share in the States?
We have a very strong strategy with local brands, very connected to the local communities, and during COVID it's only become stronger. We have a strong online proposition, as just mentioned, 7% penetration, 4 billion sales. And we gained market share. We gained in the second quarter 50 basis points of market share on the East Coast. We are the traditional grocer and the leader on the East Coast. So very strong positions, number 1 and 2 positions in all the market areas where we operate. And also this quarter, we haven't seen the final numbers of this, but also this quarter we think that in the key markets we gained share too. And yeah, the holiday season is coming quickly, as you know. So Thanksgiving is welcoming us with great offers to the giant company, Washington, and also good offers at Stop & Shop in New York.
Well, certainly something we're going to be keeping a very, very close eye on. We look forward to your update post-holiday season as well. Hey, Mobile CEO. Brent Muller, thank you for joining the program. More to come after the break. Stay with us. This is Bloomberg.
As U.S. jobs numbers are released, Bloomberg brings you crucial data at terminal speed and instant expert analysis. Nobody covers jobs does it like Bloomberg. The markets are on the move.
The focus, of course, is on Ukraine.
Market is sometimes talking about AI.
The less we see dramatic changes, it's just going to keep getting hotter. With economic analysis, we're going to go get straight to some big news and we'll pull on that with some of the numbers. More investors should know that we have so many important conversations. Let's just be what you need to know.
Everybody's hard to put their head around in America. Let's just be honest. We've had sort of a shift in audience and sort of stagflation fears moment. People were talking about that all day yesterday.
Okay, we've got a 5 minutes still open. I'm not touching my stop loss. I could move it to the white line, but there is no point. I wish only to reach 6 point on this trade.
I think when it comes to the market conversation, there's only one that's in mind. All the Federal Reserve, the BOE, the ECB, the central banks of the world, still considering their tones to be as hawkish as before. We're seeing the growth story has changed and the inflation story has changed. But the market story has changed. This chart tells you everything you need to know. The 10-year term premium having a massive effect on moving the market. The sell-off that we've seen along in the curve has perhaps done some of the work for the Federal Reserve. And my attention for the BOE, for the ECB, even the BOJ, all of which have mentioned that volatility. Something to keep in mind as we talk about what's going on ahead of the market open. And of course, before I hand over the reins, I want to give you a quick reminder that Bloomberg's Real Time Forums is underway in Singapore. About 7:30 a.m. London time, we'll get to managing director of industry capital partners. Later this morning, Scott Goodwin from Diameter Capital Partners as well. And CEO of AZA Finance Journey, Bloomberg Television. I want to say plenty more executives with all the earnings stories that we are monitoring. Stick with us. Coming up next, this is Bloomberg.
It's likely dollar trade to go higher. So yeah, that's not the best news for my long. one more minute to open.
year on year. We're joined now by
results are now the best since financial crisis, and therefore we were able to raise the outlook. And there are three drivers for it. The NII, where the driving the revenues, a very solid risk result, and good cost discipline, and that in combination leads us to this guidance of 2.2 billion euros, and an ROTE of 7.5%, which is, by the way, already meeting the target which we had out there for 2024, so 1 year earlier, and that in combination with a cost-income ratio of 61%. It's a good, decent starting for our new strategy moving forward.
Bettina, good morning. How are you thinking about net interest income then as you project out to 2024? You talked about the fact, obviously, it's been a positive component for the most recent quarter. But as you look ahead to 2024, expectations that maybe the European Central Bank is done with its rate hikes, how are you thinking about that playing out next year?
Yeah, I mean, we assume that we will not see any further rate increases. We think it will stay stable at least for 2024, to be seen what happens in 2025. And there are different factors playing into it. One is clearly that if you compare 2024 to 2023, we have an average higher interest rate level, so there will be a 4% approximately for 2024, and we have an average of 3% somehow for 2023. That's the good part of it. But we, on the other side, clearly see that pass-through rates will go up, will further increase, so that will have a negative impact on NII. And then we clearly also have our replication portfolios of product deposits, and there we expect benefits, but these benefits will really play a more important role from 25 onwards. So it might be that we see a dip in NII for 2024, but then an increase for the years to come.
Okay, that's interesting. So optimistic on the longer
And I am
term,
out.
just in the short term of 2024.
Okay,
I'm curious,
now I
if you're
don't
seeing
need
any
to
signs of financial stress among your clients.
think about it long too much. I will wait actually for a signal to go long, like prove it against.
See it in our loan book, so our risk result has been again very good in the third quarter with minus 91 million, and the equity ratio is 1%. We however also see now that we are at the level pre-COVID, which is normal and which should be normal, but still, I mean, we are in a recession environment, so it could be even higher, and nobody should be really worried about it. So we have a very strong resilience of the corporate clients, and we do not really see indication that this will change fundamentally. We, however, also stay cautious, and we will also plan for a higher risk result for the year 2024 on one side, and we intend to keep the top-level adjustment, the management overlay we currently have of 135 million, to carry that over to 2024, given the real goals and assumptions for 2024.
Bettina, you talked quite positively about what will happen to net interest income, at least in the more medium term. But a lot of people are wondering whether banks are going to be looking to try to focus on fee income at this point, as those NII gains prove more difficult to come by, perhaps, for the sector. So how are you looking to strengthen the fee-generating businesses at this point?
Yeah, and let me say on the NII, even for 2024, everything else depends on the pass-through rate. If we are too conservative on the pass-through rate, we're also looking good on a stable basis for 2024. So it all depends a little bit on the pass-through rate. But the fee income is important, it's increasingly important, and also you will see that later today when we announce our strategy update, really focus point of our growth initiatives really income coming from private clients on the one side and corporate clients on the other side currently, and private client side we see a lot of potential given our private wealth management, private banking, customer base, and specifically asset management can drive the fee business onward.
Bettina, on returning cash to shareholders, you've announced 600 million euros in terms of the buyback. And previously, looked to return about €3 billion, I believe, between 2022 and 2024. Does that make up part of that €3 billion? And is there scope for Tina to do more?
Well, first of all, we stick to what we promised and deliver that. So for this year, 2023, we have applied for a share buyback up to 600 million. The rest will come into a dividend. We announced it was 2.2 billion euros minus the 81, and 50% of it there is also a nice portion for dividend reserved, and then we take 2024 and we announce that in 2024, assuming that the results are coming in as we promised and planned, that we then will most likely have a payout ratio above 70%, which in sum will lead us to the 3 billion. And midterm, our clear target ratio, capital ratio, CET1 ratio is 13.5%. Given that we are currently at a 14.6% outlook for 14.7% for the end of the year, there is plenty of potential for capital return.
Bettina, these are great results. You've got a smile, your capital base is good, you're giving money back to shareholders. It's all wonderful. Tell me, why does the market remain so cautious on European banks generally on a valuation basis? What's the story, and what can you do to change that narrative?
But first of all, I think what we can do is deliver what we promised, and we have done that, and we intend to do that also for the coming quarters, and then we should gradually hopefully also see an increase in our share price, because we all know that there is a strong correlation between the share price and the return on tangible equity, and so far it had worked out in the right direction if you look on our share price development over the past 2-3 years. But I mean, we have a lot of uncertainty out there, geopolitical risks are there, and that's clearly something we will need to manage.
Bettina, thank you so much for your time. Good to speak to you. Bettina Bullock, the Commerce Bank CFO. Coming up on the programme, we'll continue our earnings conversations. We'll be speaking with the Deputy CEO of Trader Koltun and the CFO of the Auto Parts Maker Continental. Stay with us for those conversations coming up in this programme. Plus, we're live in Singapore for the 6th annual New Economy Forum, where we'll be speaking to the former CEO of Norway's Sovereign Wealth Fund. If you have any questions for our guests, please do get in touch. ID plus TV Go is the function to use on the Bloomberg terminal to get in touch with the team that has selected this trader. If you're time markets today blog, go to the Bloomberg UK website and you can click through the blog from there, or type TLO Go and we'll be later. This is Bloomberg.
Morning, South.
Morning.
Without checking, I knew it was you. I just heard some sound and I knew, okay, so it's in.
Yeah.
I was in long with 6-point stop loss, but it took me away. I didn't want to give it more room. And I waited for another signal to go long. Otherwise, I'm not touching shorts for now. But we can drop with the shorts. It's quite nice drop. We can drop to Adam level 15300.
I wouldn't touch the long or the short, honestly.
As you know, I didn't trade for a bit, so properly on a screens. So this is why I try to enter something. Actually, my entry gave me a straight away. It was limit order, very small drawdown, like 2 points, and give me 7 points.
Yeah, but we're looking pretty bearish.
Yeah.
I'll be looking to enter short when it comes up to 356.
View up area, value area high. Okay.
Yeah, and then that's the 23%. So I'm targeting the. If we are going down, then I'll target the lowest fib at around 226, but we've been trending kind of nice this week even. So
For me, for them to go higher, they need to break 46 now.
yeah.
Now let's see what will happen.
A lot of hits are dead short because there hasn't really been any shorts for like a week. Any good ones, at least.
Powell is speaking today.
Yeah, so I mean, my guess is they will drop it a little bit before he speaks, but not much. I don't think there will be any big moves before he
There is
speaks.
a bit more speakers as well today, and otherwise nothing important.
Oh, dude, I gotta tell you something. So I had the Tick Trader account that I have, the funded.
Yeah.
So I almost blew it up, and I didn't want to trade it. I had like $20 of drawdown left, and I went in with a mini with only $20 of drawdown left, and I didn't get stopped out. I made two. I think it was like time to the tick. I think I had like $10 of drawdown yesterday in London session. I took a scalp for $200. Then I took another scalp for $200, and I ended up the day up 1,000 yesterday.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I only had $20 to lose on the account, and I entered with a mini. Didn't lose.
That's really nice.
Yeah. Trying to get that 150k one funded. I have my 50k one, but they haven't sent me the account yet.
Yeah, I'll try to pass it today, but not on this ATR. That one I'm not touching. I just playing with 50k one now.
Adam said the 50k one is the hardest to pass.
Why? For me, it was the easiest one.
Yeah, I don't know. That's what I said. I said that was the easiest one for me. I said the 150k one. He said on the 150k one you can have more mistakes since you can lose more, but the thing is you have to make so much more.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't know. I think the 50k one's the easiest.
Yeah, it's the easiest.
Yeah, no, he said it's the hardest. He said it's like the most like managing your own money if you can be consistent on a funded account. I mean, with the 50k, I think what he means with it's the hardest one on the funded account to be like consistent with, which maybe is true because you don't have much to lose or much daily loss. Damn.
Yeah.
Well, I'll probably wait till London because this ATR is kind of shit.
But the London as well, we don't know. It could be very slow.
If I can get that 150k pass, like even in a couple weeks, I'll be so happy because you can do big things on that account. I was looking at other prop firms like with higher. Once I get more consistent with like getting payouts on prop firms, I'm gonna do like a 200K or like higher challenge and try to pass it from like other platforms like FTMO or like the funded trader.
Don't touch FTMO, it's really shit.
Oh really? You've tried it?
No, but I was listen a lot of people complain about it. It's one of the first one, but actually, even when you pass it and win it and we start the money, I will send you some links actually.
Alright.
When I will be driving.
Well, I was looking at the funded trader, and I've never done a challenge, but they have a 400K account. You know how much you can lose on that?
I think so. I had it from the trader account. I need to check it. I still got the access to login, and I passed the challenge, the 250 or 300 with them, and I blew it up. It's like, I don't know, as soon as I pass the challenges, it's easy for me to pass challenges. It was more difficult to maintain the account.
Yeah, but the 400K account, the max drawdown on the 400K is 40,000, and the daily loss limit is 20,000. It's crazy. Like if you can pass that account, you know how much money you can make on that. It's like a 40K live account.
But don't think that way. Think as well the other way. The other thinking is there are. I think so. It's not a future company. It's a forex company. So it's slightly different spreads and everything on these accounts.
Yeah, it is. I think it is a forex. That's why I go with like Top Step and other. I go with like futures companies, but yeah, forex.
You don't need to
You
worry
probably
about you don't need to worry about the bloody hell spread, and sometimes they really cheating you on it a lot.
Yeah, you'll be trading like Nasdaq Raw, I think it's called. I think that's like the forex, or like the forex version or whatever. Nasdaq Raw, something called like that. But I don't like the MT5 and MT4. I don't like that.
Yeah.
So I prefer Trade of 8.
That's true.
I wish like I think Top Step could benefit by even making a larger account, to be honest, like a 200K or like something like that.
I don't think so they'll be making any bigger accounts.
Yeah, I don't think so either, to be honest.
They're making nice new platform which I sign in for, and I hope so.
Really? You signed up for it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sticking at Trade of 8. Did you look at my stats from the combine?
Yeah.
Did you see how insane they were?
Yeah. That was really nice job. I like that actually they've got all of these stats they're showing you, but I know as well sometimes for me I passing it with like as well. I will take 2 trades and I will pass the whole combine.
Yeah, I mean I didn't take 2 trades, but I took definitely a lot of trades, but I think I only had like so I passed it in 3 days. So like almost the minimum. You can't really pass it in 2.
You can. Trust me, I've done it plenty of times. And then I blew it up.
The thing, I don't know how you can pass it in 2 because you have to get your balance like exactly even.
No, first day you can have like what I doing on a first day I doing $1-2 below, and then next day they not mind the slippage.
They don't care.
The next day if you make like few dollars more, it's okay.
Oh, I thought you had to make like the exact amount.
No, first day you cannot have more than that. It's usually I'm making $1-2 less.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
But you can set it up as well to be exactly with the price.
Yeah, I saw so those are the stats before yesterday, and then my stats yesterday I looked at yesterday night. It was like a 93% win rate and 12-to-1 risk to reward ratio.
Oh.
And then my average losing trade was $27. I mean, it was crazy.
Thank you. Where do you wanna go?
Since the pandemic, the lack of optimism is a PowerPoint to sit. In fact, companies look the most downbeat they've been since the pandemic. And one crucial
Let me check ATR. I just got on the PC just now.
ATR is
Honestly, I haven't. What?
2.3 ATR, very small one.
Oh yeah, fuck that. I'm not trading that. I haven't even been on like. I don't really even. I'm not on the PC really that much anymore. I just kind of like. I just look at my phone when I wake up, and if I like don't see anything, I see it's not moving, I'll just go back to bed.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Come on, what? We are in 10 points range. We open at 7 AM. Yeah, exactly, 10-point range. From the high to the top of the candle.
Yeah. I did something on Monday that I haven't really done before. And that's the thing I'm trying to work on is like, and Monday was shit day, but basically I made like 1,000 in London, and then I didn't take a trade the whole New York session, not one trade. Because that's big for me because and that's what I noticed. You know, when you're trying to force things, that's when you're losing all the money you make, and then on those days that are like not good, it's like okay, I have a different perspective. So you take a look at Monday, look how fucking choppy it is. I'm so glad I didn't trade it. So you can either say like market was bad, right?
Yeah.
Market conditions were bad. But if you're trying to trade bad market conditions, that's totally your fault. Like, you can only blame yourself for trading shit conditions.
Yeah.
That's the thing that's the hardest for me. It's like, I say it's bad market conditions, well then okay, why am I trying to trade it then? Like, and that's what I figured out. It's just I'm not gonna take a trade if it's not like a perfect setup for me. Like there's no point. Because I'm just gonna lose money.
Yeah, just to know when to say stop.
But no, but the thing is, I don't even. I'm trying to get to that point where I don't even have to tell myself to say stop or tell myself to say stop. I just don't trade. I just stop before I even before I even lose because I know it's not good.
Mhm.
So I save all my money. I don't even take a loss because I'm not trading. Like, yeah, I could be missing out on some potential gains. I get that, but it's like you can't think that way. You could also think how much you could be fucking
How you can
losing,
lose,
getting
yes.
frustrated.
It's not about the gain, it's about the loss. So I
Yeah, exactly. And
always
dude, I was watching that like I've been watching Top Chef TV lately, and that Michael guy, bro, he is like not know how to trade. Like I don't even know how he's funded.
because he is owner of the company.
Yeah, I know, but he was down like 1,600 thing. Like every day I've watched Top Step TV, he's been down. I don't think there's one day where he's won. That's just what I've seen.
I didn't watch it for last week, for this week, but the last week he was making money. He was losing some money, but he was making as well quite good money.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Mm.
Give me a second. I'll be back in 1 second.
Okay, let's get to the earnings release once again. It's on credit agricole has posted third quarter results that beat estimates as it benefited from higher interest rates in Italy and a strong quarter from its traders. The growth in revenue and net income was driven in part by a 26% jump in fixed income trading during a quarter when other European banks saw steep declines. We're joined now by Credit Agricole's Deputy CEO, Jerome Rivet, for an exclusive conversation. Jerome, great to have you on the program once again. So you've beaten estimates quite comfortably in the third quarter. Beaten European
Nothing now. Oh, we're going.
Yeah.
The worst thing I was thinking really to go along at 38, but it was like, no. And now. Yeah, that was my entry, the buy signal. That's not good, but okay. Not tracing it now, it's too late.
Wait for a retest of the 4 hour if you wanna go in. But I don't like that everything's red still, and we're like I said, we're quite bearish right now. We're still bearish after this move too.
Yeah, but I saw that before I told you that I need to go out, I saw that the what's the name of it? Dollar got proved the gains and started dropping.
Mm.
But one of the things I really want to buy there was exhausted here.
I was a little upset yesterday because I missed. I didn't get filled on my long by like 2 points note at 100 points. It was such a nice long too. It was like such a clean long, just no retracement, nothing.
Okay.
From 300 to 400. But I caught the short at the top yesterday at 4, almost 401, and then dropped to 330. I caught that, but then it was like I thought it was gonna go lower. It just ended up coming back up. I was a little annoyed. How's it been going with you?
So busy with all of the shit which I'm doing now, which I'm quite happy actually. So let's see
That's
how this will go. And yeah, I wanna see. Okay, we touched that. Oh. Why? Where is my window? Fuck sake, why you close it?
been kind of dead lately in the live calls because in New York, because DC has been gone. I don't know where DC is, but he's not been joining for a couple days now too.
Oh,
You're not there. So just like me and Adam talking, and everyone quiet. So
that suck.
yeah. You've had a 50K funded account with Top Step, right?
Yes.
Is it hard to keep it, you would say, or not really? Like,
For me it was
like
because, as you know, I prefer to take minis, as sometimes I was doing stupid things, and so for me, yes, it was, but it shouldn't be hard.
I'm thinking like my strategy going for it is like every day I'll scalp during London, maybe with one mini, and then if I make some money, then I can go a little bit more on the contracts.
Okay.
Like that one guy does Kyle, the guy that made like 60K that one day.
Yeah.
If that's what he does, he like builds a cushion and then goes in with 15.
Yeah, this is what usually people doing, they preparing for they allowing yourself to have the lost.
Yeah. Let's see, London opens in what, 20 minutes? I think London's going to be bearish, but let's see. Hopefully we can have some nice push up before that happens.
Yeah, so far we cannot break the trading, the divider line, sorry, we're touching the line below each time, bless you.
Thank you. Yeah, did you know that guy Kyle, he's Polish too? I didn't know that.
Ah, the one which is smashing the top step?
Yeah. He's Polish apparently.
Okay, good for him.
Good for him.
Take the money from them.
Yeah. He's on a live account now. They put him on a live.
No, he was on a live account for a bit, I believe so, or not.
But he was on Express when he made that big payout,
Okay.
that big money. They have like a leaderboard, right?
Yes.
I need to get on that. That would be so fucking cool. To get on that leaderboard for like whatever, like a day or whatever they have it. It would be like actually the coolest thing ever.
Yeah, then try to work on it.
I'll be trying to do that. London has been so shit lately. Like for the past 2 weeks, it's been like not that good. Like yesterday was okay. Monday fucking so shit. Today let's see how it is. But Frankfurt I can already tell is low, so that's not a good sign.
Okay, I'm long.
Alright.
My entry is 46.25.
I feel like you only got like 10 points with this though. This
I will be
one,
happy.
that's my downside on the long side, is that it doesn't look like there's much room to go. We got, I mean, 15,004. Oh! Okay, so this previous 4 hours are actually a decent size lower than the last one. And then the Asia one, because Asia had an okay drop, actually, not too bad. 30 points.
Come on, break that and I'll be very happy.
Oh.
You can do it.
Not with this APR.
2.3, slowly it can crawl up and up and up.
I know, I'm just saying you're going to be waiting for like an hour for 10 points with this APR.
You know, the problem is we cannot break the bloody hell up.
If ATR is this low, I usually just don't trade.
Okay, daily CPR is below us, so probably will go lower. But the oil is nice. It's above us, so oil should go higher.
Begins today in Singapore. The companies global leaders in finance, politics, and economics under the theme of embracing instability. Let's cross over to Fancy Market, who's on the ground for us at the floor with a guest. Fancy.
Thank you so much, Tom. I'm very pleased to be joined by Inga Such and the Managing Director of Industry Capital Partners, also formerly in charge of the biggest sovereign wealth funds in the world. So Inga, thank you so much for joining us. Interesting times because there's so much instability, there's so much concern, there's so much talk about everyone really wanting peace, but that may not come soon enough. When you took over and actually tried to lead the industry capital partners, what was further?
Yeah, London on the open probe will be dropping, so it's good to close in some small profit this trade. And so far it's...
I mean, I don't think so. As long as we're above 4 hour, it looks good. I'm just saying though that like there's only so much that the long for me can run. I'll give it 10 points max from here. I just don't see anything. I'm expecting rejection off like 50, 55 area, 50, 60 area for the long. But I think we can push up there before we go down. And it's got to do it now before London opens. It's got to push up a little bit more. And then I want London to drop. I would keep the long for now.
I don't want to keep it too much. I just want to scalp few things.
That makes sense. Yeah, I don't know. I think you can get the 10 points with it. It's like iffy even for that, really. I mean, we got the 5-minute WMA. We've got
46, 56. I don't think. Actually, maybe if you get 52. It will be accepted in value area low.
I mean, 56 my 23% fib, so that's like my entry. That's what I want to see hold for the short, because then I'll be short until we can get above that.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, because yesterday same thing was such perfect entry on that fib for the long, like literally so good entry at 20. It was like 30 and it went to 25, and then it was such a good entry with the fib, the 23% again. I love that fib. It's really, really good. Both of the 78s and the 23% are really good fibs.
Okay, go try to break up. Yes, try to break up. But the dollar is melting slowly, so we got possible to push a little bit higher.
I like how I remember when I called out this move like 2 weeks ago, maybe a week ago, after we took that monthly low, and I said we're going to be bullish.
Yeah, but everything worked actually. All of the algos was hitting the level so nicely. Yeah, we hit.
I know. I'm just saying, like, fuck. I could have like swung some micros on my swing pound or something like that. That has been the story. Like I've been saying, and I didn't notice till a couple of weeks ago how every move that we have, every more violent move is just a more violent buy. Yeah, you have like if you have a 500 point drop, you're getting 1,000 points up. Like they're buying everything for some reason. I don't understand why. Not yet. I don't know why they are buying. I think they're just trying to trick all these people from the shorts. I think the short will happen down to 11K by 2024. But man, I'm actually getting less and less confident of that, and maybe we just go bullish for like the rest of the 2024 year. That like it could be a possibility.
That would be nice. I wouldn't complain.
I know, but I just doubt that. See, I can't think like that when fucking, especially the US, like
it shouldn't be like that as well, because lots of investors. Lots of investors, they will just invest the money and they will be sleeping on it for as long as they want it.
Yeah, but I'm still expecting like not an economy crash, but I'm expecting like a pretty bad state for the US in the next year or two, because they are fucking bullshitting everyone. Like the chair and the Fed and all that, they're telling lies to everyone. The economy is so bad right now. They're hiding it with earnings and everything like that. That's like one big thing I talked about is, okay, you look at like most retail saying the economy is bad, right? But then you look at earnings, and the reason why the market is up right now is because corporate earnings are still really good. They're the best they've ever been. So how can you be bearish on a market that is reporting really good earnings, right?
Yeah.
Like you can't be. You can't be bearish on a market where like these companies are reporting best earnings, all time highest earnings, like all that shit. It's like you can't be bearish because it's telling you that the economy is good,
Yeah,
but it's you
good
don't
earnings
know what
are
it's
for the
getting held
companies,
up by.
not for us. The people don't have this money. The big companies got the
Yeah,
money.
exactly. That's what Adam said is that the middle class, they're the middle class doesn't like they're not showing the middle class. Like the middle class is getting affected so much right now.
Yeah.
But they don't show that. You know, you gotta look at like when they show the overall economy, it's fucking shit, but they're just looking at all these companies, and that's why it's getting held up. So like for me, it's just getting held up by a little string, and once that shit starts to show weakness, I mean, I think we'll have like a really a really big sell off, and it will like I think it will happen so quick. I mean, I think we could have like a 4K drop in like months. I think we could have a 4K drop in months. But
Yeah, let's see what the time will bring.
The thing is, though, because of the amount of stimulus that was pumped into the system, because of the change in consumer behavior, it had risen to unprecedented levels. So the collapse now has just brought it back to roughly the median range of a healthy economy. And this is, I think, a textbook example of how you can spin the
my rule of thumb is it's easy to be bearish when everyone else is bearish, and it's easy to be bullish when everyone else is bullish. So you kind of gotta think kind of outside of what everyone's doing.
Yeah.
Like if everyone's bearish, like I'm not even talking like this is just fundamentally thinking. You don't have to even look at a chart. If everyone is bearish and the side is tilted, one scale is tilted heavily to the other side, you can go long and not even look at the charts and make money.
That's true. If you afford for the biggest stop loss, you can do that easily.
And then you can do that by even looking at like call options versus put options. You can look at what retail is doing because retail will fucking tell you what to do. If everyone's bearish in retail, that's how you know it's going up. It's exactly what happened last week, or I mean, whatever 2 weeks ago when that drop happened. Everyone was fucking selling puts because the monthly low got taken out. It broke the monthly low. It broke the monthly low. Like, oh my god.
Come on, break it this time.
Is it pushing? I'm not even looking.
Session view up. It's holding the price, so that's good. That was very nice rejection from it, so actually that's telling me we should stay bullish. I will keep this contract open. 64, if we will visit 60, that would be amazing. 56, yeah, that will be a challenge, and then
That's my short area, my first short area.
66 will be better short entry.
Yeah, but for me, it's like, I take the short and then I get stopped. I'd rather get an early short and then re-enter if I lose. Because
Yeah.
I don't want to miss the move if it's going to be a good short. I'd rather get in early. It looks like it's just waiting for London. Frankfurt's like dead.
That's true, actually. Frankfurt is flat.
I mean, usually the manipulation move will happen right when London opens. So if London opens up bullish, you can kind of know where it's going a little bit. If it opens bearish, it's probably going to be bullish.
So far, yeah, Russell is nicely bullish, and yeah, only Russell, it's the lightest one. So. Gold losing a lot of money. Is really yesterday and 2 days ago was really trading down.
Fuck gold.
Why? I was really into buying it. It was so easy to buy it. It's much more difficult to sell it.
I've heard like controversial things about gold.
Now it's the best time like that when to trade actually the gold. I really enjoy it.
Someone said, I saw a video of someone saying just buy gold and leave it alone and don't look at it.
This is what I'm saying, and they really dropped. I think so about 6% in the last few days.
Holy shit! Well, yeah, because it was at what? Like, wasn't it at all-time highs? That's the reason. It probably.
It was an all-time high, but it was a high.
It was pretty close to all-time highs, I think, right?
They didn't. 1 second.
No, they wouldn't. They wouldn't do that. Do you know how many investors they could have probably sucked in though if they got it to all-time highs?
Okay, we'll check the gold higher time frame, 1 hour. We was on 2020. So there wasn't the all-time high was almost 2100. It was 2086, and we gone to 2080. Sorry, 20.
Yeah, so we were 20 pips away. That's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
A lot of people are saying just buy gold, buy silver. The economy is gonna fucking dollar's gonna crash. But I mean, don't listen to that shit. But
okay, the previous 4 hour it's holding so far, but how long? Do I need to change time zone? Because previous 4 hour is printing now. Oh no, it's okay on Frankfurt Open. That's okay. Now we not look anymore so bullish.
no, we're not.
But we are 1 minute to open, so that can change.
I want to look for a short in London. Just get a nice short, and then just probably stay. I'm probably gonna stay out of New York for most of the day until Powell speaks, because I've learned my lesson with that shit. It's too choppy to trade before he gets on.
Yeah. Yeah, 200 moving average was red all the time.
Yeah, did London just open? We just opened bearish, didn't we? On London. 1 minute. How long does it take?
Yeah.
How long does it take usually to get a top step funded? They said 1 to 2 business days.
1 day. They
One
said
day?
the next day, a few hours after the open of the market.
So say like I paid yesterday, right?
So they will send you today, probably around 4 or 5 p.m. your time.
Oh, you think so?
You will have it definitely by the end of today.
Alright, well, I was just hoping I could get it by Thursday at least. I don't know how it takes them time to even, I mean, I get it takes time to set up the account, but it should just be kind of like a automatic thing where they generate like your account and everything.
Come on, push that shit.
What the fuck? There it is. There's the manipulation move.
No, that's the actually showing us how strong the bulls are now.
Yeah, there's just too much resistance up, getting up there that to go long for me.
$52, it's really 54, that's, I can see. Can we pass that? Then we're going to 64.
Oh, actually, no, strict candles just turned, okay. Strict candle just turned off, which is good.
Fly, baby.
Still not convinced on the long, but we'll see here.
Maybe they want to bring market up before the Jerome Powell talk his bullshit.
I doubt it. I think if anything, they'll bring it down and then they'll pump it. It's like in most cases. I shared you were talking to me about that actually. I didn't come up with it, but you were talking about what they do before news, and I've noticed such a pattern with news.
Okay. That's it?
I don't think so.
No, I was saying that's it for the bulls.
No, yeah, I know what I'm saying. I don't think so. We'll see here.
We've got the profit, we've got everything, so it looks like that's it for the bulls.
Ah.
32, there is a gap in our orders and we're rejecting from there all the time.
I'm long at 40.
Okay. So we've got much nicer entry than me. 946.
I actually liked what we did in London. Right when we opened, that's why I went long. And then retested the 4 hour, hoping we can not push this and make a new high.
But the dollar is going up.
Ah, who cares?
I care.
That sucks, but Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm not looking to hold this long. I'm just looking for some like 10 points even. But I don't even know if I can get that, to be honest with you. It's looking kind of iffy.
If you test view up, that will be amazing, but yeah, they don't look good anymore.
Back to the UK side of things, which I know is where Marcus Snowball spends a lot of his time contributing to the conversation. Buy now, pay later. Next to pile on Christmas debt with buy now, pay later deals. What's the latest on this particular?
Okay.
There is nothing. Why not doing anything?
Why are you doing anything? It has to do something. Oh, I like that.
At least go down or up, not like stall here.
Oh, come on. Give me TP1, motherfucker. Alright, TP1 hit just now.
Nice, nice.
Fuck, I'm happy I brought this account from the fucking dead. I will if I can get a payout on this account, this is gonna be a story I'm gonna literally fucking tell everyone. This is crazy.
That's good.
Colton, I had $20 to lose and I entered with a mini. A mini.
I know.
You know, I had 1 point stop loss.
But there is end of day drawdown, or how the drawdown was working on this account?
Yeah, it's end of day drawdown.
Okay.
Yeah, I fucked myself. I went on pretty easy losing streak. But I got frustrated at the market one day and shouldn't have been trading, and I learned my lesson now. I just, like I said, I didn't trade at all on Monday in New York. I took one trade the whole day. That's not like me. That's a big step for me. I told Adam about that, how, you know, if market conditions are bad, why am I even trying to trade it? And I'm saying market is bad. Well, I'm bad for trading a bad market. You know, I should only be frustrated at myself, not with the market.
Yeah.
Like this isn't good trading conditions. I wouldn't even really trade this, to be honest with you. But I mean, if I can get the 10 points, if I think I can get the 10 points, why not? I can get TP1 and then I'll let it do what it wants. I mean, even 52 we rejected. That was my TP. That was. I don't even think it was gonna go that far. To be honest with you. Yeah, no, you're coming down. Okay, not too bad. Oh, come on. Alright, I just took a quick scalp with 5 minis on my top step challenge.
Okay.
So I'm out for 1,000. I mean, it can go higher, just don't really wish to hold this, you know? So I might even like consider getting short here soon, but I since I'm already in a long, I don't really want to change my.
Yeah, this is the worst thing when you are in one trade. But for me, I want to see what's happening around the 59 area. If you can go even there, and what will be happening.
I agree. When you're switching like that from one bias to another, like pretty fast, it can be really bad for you. Just stick to one.
And we are almost at the POC. I know POC is higher at 64.
Motherfucker. Ah. My goal for the end of the year, like I said, is to get 150K express funded. I mean, since I have 50K, obviously I'm gonna keep the 50K unless I like lose it. I'm not gonna lose it on purpose, but I want to get 350K. That would be insane for me. That's like what, 15K live drawdown? Basically a 15K live account total.
Come on, go.
Yeah, I was in at 50 on my funded, and then I'm in a little shittier entry. Not 50, I mean 40 on my funded, and then little shittier entry on my other account. 42. Oh shit, that's nice. But except this is my rejection area.
This is markets today. We are 10 minutes into the European trading day. European stocks 600 down about 0.3%. Let's do a full
It's a view up, yeah.
So we've got a mixed picture in these banking stocks this morning. Tom, ABN AMRO again slammed over in Amsterdam. Disappointment about them not doing a share buyback seems to be driving that one lower at the moment. Meanwhile, Commerzbank is doing 600 million euros worth of buybacks and benefiting more from the rise in interest rates as we discussed earlier in stocks to watch. Credit Ag is kind of trading in line with the market, up around 0.3%, turn of those other banking stocks today. The deputy CEO was speaking earlier about a potential slowdown in some of their markets. Let's have a listen to that now.
Now here's what I'm asking myself right now. Do I care if I take this profit? For me, I do care because I know it's shit conditions and I'm trying to get my account out of drawdown. And I don't think this can go much higher, so I'm thinking of just taking it off here.
Yeah, we're testing the view up, so it can just go back to your entry and then can see what happens there. Or we just explode and we'll go up.
Yeah, I mean, either way, I'll have to live with the decision, and I made profit, so for me, it's like, I decide what I want to do. It's just, I know this is a rejection area, so.
And as you can see, we reject quite badly.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, this is almost the view up of the Asia session.
Alright. I'm just taking the profit here at 54. I don't want to deal with this. Well, $400 on the day, I'll take it.
I'm staying in my one. Well, let's see.
Yeah, I mean, I think if we start to rip, we can really rip higher. But I think what's going to end up happening is going to come down to the 4 hour because there's not enough strength for me to see it can push higher. Like the thing is, if it breaks 356, then next resistance like 360. So it's like then 366. So it's like for me, there's not enough upside for me to hold this. Well, I'm glad I exited. Honestly, you can do whatever I want now.
Okay, good.
Holy shit.
Bearish divergent on a surge.
I told you that was the entry short too at 356.
But I don't want to short the market, at least for now. I'm not feeling it like I want to sit in a short.
Yeah, 359 was a rejection. I expect London to be totally shitty, so I'm just taking scalps, I think. I'm not looking for like any 50-point moves. Well, like I said, London's been pretty shit lately.
I noticed when I was looking it back, but yeah.
Yeah, you notice when you're looking at London how shit it was to trade. That's why I don't. That's why I sleep in. I just sleep in and don't trade London most times now. Well,
Okay, so we go up to 59.
you know,
And at 59, how many orders was there?
I think we're coming back down to 4 hour, previous 4 hours.
Okay, it was not so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dollar going higher. Or trying to go higher. Ooh la la!
Every Jack's here, we're going down again. Every Jack's. I mean, I also have minimal upside with the long because Adam's level at 400. That's either the high of the week or we're bullish above it. So it's like for me, there's only minimal upside, where there's so much more downside. Like if we break 56, we might come to 400, and that's it. That's like kind of iffy. We come to 400, that's really icy hit for the longs. That's a big area to short the market right there.
For me, it's like if I want to see what's happening around 74 area, but I don't think so. I will see that because I need to finish in 15 minutes. And again, view up rejecting us.
So we have VWAP, and then we have 23% fib there, and then we have the 5 minutes WMA there, and then we have also whatever the dotted line on the 4 hours. I don't know what it's called.
Okay, where is the previous day close? Previous day close, okay. It's at 74, so this is what I'm looking for. Value area high.
Did I tell you I canceled my Apex like a couple weeks ago because it was so shit, even though I was like up on the account?
Yeah. It wasn't worth to pay for another month for the.
No, luckily I canceled, but I still paid the $100 like activation fee monthly.
Oh shit! Okay.
And then I reset my take profit trader account, and then realized that like take profit, I hate it also with unrealized drawdown. It's such a shit rule.
Yeah.
It's like you said, it just teaches you to gamble. Like you can't even hold fucking trades. Yeah. What's the point if you can't even hold the trades? It's just fucking stupid.
Because you wanna take like first 1 or 2 TPs and the rest this is the game of the probabilities. Probabilities. Yeah. So and you cannot do that in this kind of the environment.
No, you can't. I just think it's bullshit how these firms make like an unrealized drawdown rule with all the already strict rules they have for traders, knowing that most traders fail under, like it's insane to me because like even with the end of day drawdown, most traders fail. So like if you put them on unrealized gains drawdown, like even good traders will fail on
You
that.
want them to scalp. You just want them to scalp, looking for like 5 points here, 3 points, 10 points. You don't want them to really be a traders. You just want them to be scalpers. And some scalpers, they scalping as for me scalp it's a 5 to 10 points. It's a scalp. But people scalping even for 1 point.
Yeah, that's for me that's crazy. Yeah, you're right about that because I've seen like my scalp is like some people's like whole trade, and I'm like, what? Like, you're telling me you're going for like a 1-to-1 or like a like whatever 0.5 to 1 risk reward? You're risking like 10 points for 10 points. Like I can't do that. Unless I'm scalping. You know what I mean? Unless I'm scalping.
Yeah, but even on the scalping, I don't like to put too much. I saw people doing like scalping. They're risking 5 points to have a 1 point. Where is the?
So they have a negative risk to reward.
Yeah, because they're saying that.
That's crazy.
Because
for
they're saying
1 point
with the NQ. How you can do this with the NQ when it's so much volatility in it? You can, but. Okay.
No, but I've never heard of that. I can't believe you've seen people.
So just check. There is a plenty of people who is doing that, especially for scalping. They've got a bigger drawdown to the reward.
That's fucking crazy. I'm looking for like last time.
$500 up. That's nice. Come on, you go higher.
Nice. Like for me, I want a 1 to 2 risk to reward, minimal. I think if you don't have a high risk to reward, you have to have a really good win rate, obviously.
Yeah.
So like, if you have a not so good risk to reward, then you have to have like a 90% win rate
POC.
or like an 80%.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. We are at the POC. We just.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I'm so glad I hold this trade.
Yeah, it's nice.
Streak candles turn green. Higher time frame 5 and 15 minutes is green as well.
I got out at 354 with my last contract. I could have just held the last contract, but I didn't want to really deal with it.
POC.
Still looking for shorts up here, though.
This is the area to short, 64 POC.
Yeah. I'll be looking to short when we get if we get more expensive.
And actually,
I don't really
go to the bullish side, so we can reject there. And now the question for me is, should I close my trade or stay in? And this is the Sydney opening range.
At 64?
Bottom of the Sydney opening range is at 63.
At 60?
63. So we hit it and we reject it. But I wouldn't short. I wouldn't short on this bullish move because we know what London like to do.
That's the manipulation right there.
The ATR is small, and the London will crawl with this small ATR. People will be thinking, I will short here, I will short there, and they will be like 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, and stop loss, stop loss, stop loss.
With small ATR though, you're saying it will go up more?
Yeah, this what London. You didn't notice that this is the best moves on London. You got ATR around 4 to 5, and the London can do 100 point like that.
Yeah, I mean, with small ATR, you usually have just like little buying,
But continuous
but
move. It's like continuous move. So you're thinking that yeah, I will short here, I will short there, and they taking your stop loss so easy.
yeah, I doubt we see 100 points though.
Me too. But if I will see 30, I will be very happy.
Yeah, that's a good trade. I mean, like I said, there's a lot of resistance. I said if we don't reject that 56, we can reject that 66.
Yeah, it's a POC. There is a opening range and everything, but it look like they wanna push the price a bit. So let's see what they wanna do. Okay, 3 candles. Click on. And off. If the strict cleaners click on and stay, that wow, I stay in this trade.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Good thing to do. I like that Powell speaks before market opens though. Oh yeah, he doesn't speak late. So you know what? Actually, I'll probably trade the before market open, and then I'll trade the after he speaks also.
Yeah.
That is the best time. Then we should get some move. It actually could be a good day to
trade.
It could be a good.
New York.
Yeah, it could be a good day to trade since he's talking early. Maybe will be a nice expansion in New York after he speaks. Nice move up or down that I can catch.
Come on, go to previous day close and I will be very happy. No, but I need to leave in 3 minutes.
You need to leave in 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
My day job. I told you I've got the shifts here and there, so I've got some day job.
Oh, you're doing that every day?
It's supposed to be a part-time. As I spoke with them at the beginning, I told them I don't own every day, but it looked like they didn't have anyone for the last few weeks, like 8 weeks. They struggle without somebody and they're catching up on installation, so quite busy now.
Yeah, when I go back home, I might have a part-time job, but the nice thing is I'll be working for my parents. They want me to be a salesman for them.
That's good.
Yeah, so my mom said like you can have flexible hours because they know I trade and shit like that.
Okay.
So it would be nice because I'll be like insurance. They have a dental practice. I'll be like an insurance salesman, you can call it. I'll basically just like tell the patients, the customers, like what insurance, like how their insurance is the best for our dental practice and shit like that.
Okay, that's good. That's really good.
Yeah. I mean, I have another job offered too for the company I work in the summer, but it's not really. It's 8 to 5, and I don't want to. Like, the whole point of me getting the trading was not for the money, and I think everyone is kind of missing the point with that. I'm not doing it for the money. I know I can make a fuck ton of money with trading, but I'm doing it for the freedom. I don't want to work for someone else. I don't want to work 9 to 5. I want to work my own hour, you know. The money's nice, but I could, you know, the freedom's better with it.
Yeah, but as well, I need to find the balance now. As I told you, it was a year and I couldn't find the balance as I was doing only trading. So now I try to do...
Antonina,
Alexa, stop.
Yeah, I mean, balance is key. I would say for sure. It's
We also
hard if you're what?
I know. But yeah, because we was hitting too long and we was just finding the excuses to go into the trades. So that was the worst.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, if you're not doing anything like during the day, or not much, I would say at least, it can make you a lot easier to lose the money in trading because you're looking for something that's not there. You're just getting bored.
Yeah.
You're wanting to do something. But I think if you're gonna do full-time trading, you kind of have to be able to some days even like go days without placing a trade. Like if it's bad, I'm not placing a trade now if I don't see like anything good, or I'll just go lower, or I'll take 10 points.